welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome to the channel. My name is Tatiana. In today's video, I'm about to show you how I achieved this super cute, big, kinky, curly hair. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get right into this video. The foundation for this look can be put into 2 ponytails, or you can do multiple braids like I'm doing. I just decided to do 2 smaller ones and 2 bigger ones going to the back, and I'm going to connect them together. To achieve this look, I will be using an I-part wig from I Like Hair and their texture Kinky Curly. This is super convenient, very protective, of course, because we're not having anything out. So this is great for my natural babes or even my relaxed babes and they want some curly hair. The part is super seamless, as you can see, and it comes with the extra band if you need that extra security. Using the wig clips, I'm just going to open them and I'm going to be using the first 2 and I'm going to comb it underneath my braid and clamp down. There is an extra clip that is inside, I guess for like the middle part if you need that extra security, but I didn't necessarily need that. And then I just went ahead and used the combs around the perimeter of my head to just secure the rest of the wig. So once I put the wig on, I realized I had a lot of tension and it was from the band. This band is good for someone who needs that extra support, but for my head size, I did not need that support. So if you need to, just go ahead and cut that excess band. I love to face frame my curly hair, especially my curly hair, because it really just makes the hair stand out more. It shows your face off more, and it just adds personality to the look, if that makes sense. This is so cute. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Yes, ma'am. That's all for today's video, babes. I hope you enjoyed this quick install. All the information on this hair is in the description below. I highly suggest that you check it out, and I'm not just saying that because it's sponsored, but if you are a person who loves big hair like me, I highly suggest that you check this out, baby, because I'm digging it. This is so cute. I love tube tops and, you know, halters. I love both of them. But every time I wear it and I do a video, it looks like I'm just sitting here naked, and I'm not. But that's not the point. If you're digging this style, give me a thumbs up, comment below. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok _TatiTV. And if you haven't already, join the family, join the journey, and subscribe to my channel because I don't want you to miss out on any other videos. And I will see you in my next video.